Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of YesStyle. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. شكون؟ In this page here, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's